Oh, little Diner Express. Yum, 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 yum. You can go up front. You can compost leaves for a compost layer and a new garden bed, right?
Yeah.
Filling in the dirt after the transplant. In the hole.
Bang.
Spout.
But it's kind of like an elephant.
Oh yeah, sprinkle can effect.
Hello.
Move it around.
I'm trying. It's so heavy.
And then what do we do here? Alright, go behind it. Put our tools away. Thank you.